National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Elk County in north central Pennsylvania, northern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Cameron County in north central Pennsylvania, Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, Center County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from near Medics Run to near North Phillipsburg to near Blandburg, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include State College, Lock Haven, Bellefonte, Tyrone, Park Forest Village, Woodward, Bollesburg, Keating, Pleasant Gap, Phillipsburg, Lamar, Stormstown, Lamont, Bald Eagle, Burnham, Zion, Belleville, Hauserville, Warriors Mark and Mill Hall. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 128 and 186. Interstate 99 between mile markers 47 and 85. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and destructive hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties: Blair, Cambria, Cameron, Center, Clearfield, Clinton, Elk, Huntingdon, and Mifflin. The National